Watch me go from this to this. Hello everybody, and welcome to or welcome back to my channel. I am Charlie Zena if this is your first time here, and in today's video, first of all, you guys are probably wondering like what's going on with my hair. Primarily, I'm going to be blowing out my natural hair and showing you a length check with my hair blown out. But then I'm also going to show you how I style my hair like this. Okay, it's giving length. All right, this is obviously not my real hair. It's a wig, which I don't do wigs often, but I wanted to spice things up a little bit for this video. Super quick, super easy, the quickest wig install you guys will probably ever see. So if you're interested in seeing that video, then make sure you just keep on watching. All right, so I actually already blow dried my hair and put it in these twists, but it's been in these twists for a few days. So I actually want to touch it up, but this is what my hair looked like. I'm gonna take these twists out. I want to clip my ends, but I'm actually a little bit afraid because last time my ends were clipped, it was done by a professional. So I might as well just wait until I'm ready to go to a professional again, because I don't think my ends are that bad. But you guys can kind of see the length already, but I do want to, you know, comb it through so you guys can see what it looks like. So if you guys look right here, this is basically what my hair looks like when it's wet. This is what it looks like when I do a wash and go. I think it looks really nice. It looks full. It's been a very long time since I've actually blown my hair out, so because I feel like it's been growing a lot, I wanted to just do an actual length check. So this is it, right? It looks absolutely insane. I'm gonna comb it through. I'm gonna use a wide tooth comb because I don't usually even like using tools on my hair at all. But you know, every once in a while does not hurt. Putting heat on my hair every once in a while, like blowing it all the way out, also does not hurt. Everything should be in moderation. So you guys can kind of see the length already it's giving. How often do you guys blow your hair out? For some reason, I feel a little bit guilty whenever I blow dry my hair these days, but I really used to blow dry my hair every single time I used to wash it. Do you guys feel the same way with your natural hair? Like, do you feel bad when you put heat on it, or is it just like something like, well, I gotta do what I gotta do to make sure it looks good? Let me know, I'm curious. So I'm seeing that there's a little bit of tension on the ends, which does mean I probably would need a trim, but I'm gonna be honest, y'all, I don't feel comfortable doing it myself. I used to wear my hair out in an afro like this a lot. These days, no, because I don't blow dry my hair anymore. Recently, I started doing wash and go, so you guys could check out the video that I did with my very first wash and go. I'm gonna link it right here for you guys. So I'm just splitting it in half. And I'm going to run the blow dryer through half of my head. Probably I'm gonna split it into 4 sections. Just run the blow dry through it once again, just to kind of touch it up, because it's definitely not really how I would want it. I'm not gonna blow it out too much more just because I already blew it out like 4 days ago. Yeah, it actually was 6 days ago. No, I'm gonna say. All right, we're gonna hit the back. Comb it out a little bit. Look at my ends, you guys. Let me know. I don't know, like I feel like I need a trim. I feel like I could literally cut like a whole nother inch off of this to really get my hair to be nice and full, but I personally don't want to do that for myself. I'm gonna try and get an appointment with the stylist so that they can do it for me. Wow, you guys, look at this. Look, you can see my ends are pretty, they're They're definitely due for a trim. But look at that. All right, wait. Let me not try to do my length checks just yet. All right, I feel like that's enough. Okay, so this is how much hair I just shed. It happens. Can't beat myself up about it, can I? All right, so now I'm just gonna take each piece down so we can just take a look. All right, I'm gonna show you guys the back. Here's my length check. Oh, usually I have to like bend my head all the way back to catch my hair, and I'm like, hold on, it's literally right there. I don't even have to bend my neck back that much. What? I don't have to bend my neck back at all. All right, so let's do this check. It's definitely bra strap. Can you guys see it? What? Okay, so from the front, it's going basically to my nipple. Wait, it's actually at it. Right here. It hits it. It hits it. I guess that's in alignment with the actual bra strap, right? Like right there. Well, that's definitely exciting, you guys. Now the question is, what am I actually gonna do to my hair? Surprise, today's Thanksgiving, and I wanna put my hair up and I wanna put it away. So I'm actually gonna cornrow it and put on one of my wigs. I don't usually wear wigs, but today I wanna wear a wig. So I think I'm gonna just do 4 braids because I don't feel like spending that much time on this. Thanksgiving is actually a very special day, special holiday for me because it was in Thanksgiving of 2017 that I decided that I was gonna actually commit to my YouTube channel. Getting emotional. My mother actually gave me a tripod for my birthday in October. It really meant a lot for her to give me that because it just shows that, okay, like this is something that she supports me with, that she believes in me, and it's something that I wasn't even taken seriously yet. So like for me, I absolutely, like, it was one of the best gifts I've ever gotten. It was just so thoughtful. I said, okay, like I have to commit to this because I want to make my mother proud, and I want her to know that the fact that she believes in me and believes in my ability to do well with YouTube is all the motivation I need to remain consistent. I'm enjoying this hairstyle just as it is. I think cornrows look good on me. Once it has some length to it, okay. Alright, so I'm gonna actually just do the next half off camera. I'll be back to show you what the finished, cornrows look like. Alright, so this is basically what the braids look like, you guys. There's really nothing to see here, honestly. Nothing special. 4 cornrows. I left my edges out a little bit because I actually want to lay my edges down because I'm going to be putting on a wig. Here's the wig here. I was going to wear a different one, but then I was like, oh snap, I forgot about this one. So I'm going to put this one on. Hopefully it's in good condition. It's really been a long time since I've worn a wig, honestly, you guys. Like over a year, probably. So we'll have to see. Okay, so she doesn't look too bad. She's super long. She's definitely synthetic AF. I got this one off of Amazon. There was one that I actually bought from the beauty supply store and I ended up cutting it. It was the same exact wig, but I ended up cutting it. And I was a little bit upset because I really liked it long. So I went and got another one, but the second one I got was off of Amazon and the quality is not as great. I don't even think the color's the same. But we're gonna have to make do because we gotta do what we gotta do with what we have, okay? This is honestly one of my pet peeves about hair is laying edges. I hate laying my edges, you guys. But it's so essential. Like, your edges have to be laid, you guys. All right, so I'm gonna take this wig cap. I had it in like a little scrunchie, but I'm just gonna kind of lay them underneath. I don't want it to have like a big bulk in the back. So I'm gonna just put this on. Is this a wig cap? Oh my gosh, is my head that big? Like what's even going on? I'm just gonna fold them up and tuck them underneath, you guys. Those ladies who be doing those wigs, kudos to them. So now the cap is on. I'm leaving my edges out, and we're gonna put this girl on. And if I don't like her, I'll put the other one on that I was originally planning to put on, which might be a better one because this one is kind of long and kind of all over the place. But let's see. Okay, so this actually feels pretty secure. In terms of everything else, honestly, I don't want to do anything else. I've already like put my edges out. I don't be doing that whole gluing down. I don't do none of that, y'all. This is why I just leave my edges out and let my real edges be what it is. So, what do you guys think? You like this wig? I think I like how this feels super tight and secure on my head, that I don't want to put the other one on. It might not feel as secure, honestly, you guys. All right, you guys, so I'm back. This is my finished look for today for Thanksgiving. And of course, I'm running late for my Thanksgiving dinner. So I am just gonna close this video out really quickly. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I cannot wait to see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.